Hi there, I'm Marie. Today I want to share with you how to crochet this beautiful triangular shawl. The entire shawl is made with double crochet and V stitches, so it's straightforward and easy to do. The length from the bottom to the top is 32 inches. We need 3 skeins of size 4 medium weight yarn and a 5 ml hook for this project. To begin, tie a slip knot. Then chain 6. Join the chains with a slip stitch to form a ring. This is the center point of the shawl. We'll put stitches into the ring and form a triangle. Now chain 3. This chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Chain 1. Next, we'll do a V stitch. Put a double crochet into the ring. Chain 1 and follow that with another double crochet. A V stitch is complete. Next, chain 2. This chain 2 will be the center point of the triangle. We'll do the same set of stitches on the left side. Do a V stitch. Double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. Chain 1 and end with a double crochet. So for row 1, we have a double crochet, a space, a V stitch, and a chain 2 in the center, and the same stitch pattern on the left side. Moving on to row 2, chain 3. This chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Turn the piece over and we'll be crocheting from the opposite direction. Do another chain. Next, we'll do a V stitch in the chain space directly below. Double crochet. Chain 1 and double crochet. If we are keeping count, we work 5 stitches into the corner 3 stitches. We added 2 extra stitches to keep the edge of the triangle straight. We will do this increase in every row. Now, chain 1. Skip the V below, which is a total of 3 stitches. Do a V in the next chain space. Double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. Chain 2, which is the center stitches. There are 2 stitch increase on the right side of the center point. For the left side of the triangle, we repeat the same pattern as on the right side. So, do a V. Double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet. Chain 1. Skip the V below. Do a V in the next chain space. Chain 1. Do a double crochet on the top of the previous chain 3. This closes out row 2. So we start with a double crochet, a chain 1, 1 V, 2 V's, and a chain 2 in the center chain space, and then the same pattern in the reverse direction on the left side. This is the pattern we are going to repeat in the next 3 rows as we expand. Moving on to row 3, chain 3. Turn the work over, then chain 1. Do a V in the first chain space. Double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. Chain 1. Remember, we always skip the V and put the V in the following chain space. So do a V in the next chain space. Chain 1. Skip the V below. Do a V in the center chain space. Chain 2, and a V again in the center chain space. For the rest of the stitches, you just repeat the same pattern as on the right side. Row 3 is complete. On each side of the triangle, we have 1 V in row 1, 2 V's in row 2, and 3 V's in row 3. And you keep repeating the pattern as you expand. Repeat this pattern for row 4 and 5, and I'll be back to show you how to do row 6. We now have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 rows. Moving on to row 6. I'm going to change yarn to one with a slightly different purple tone. Tie a slip knot with the new yarn. Pull the knot through the last stitch we just made. Do not cut the yarn. We will bring it up while we do a chain 3 turning chain. The slip knot counts as the first chain. Wrap the old yarn around with the hook and loop a chain. And wrap it around again for the next chain. Turn the piece over and we'll be crocheting from the opposite direction. Set the previous yarn aside and we'll return to it when we do row 7. Now chain 1 and do a double crochet in the same stitch. We just put 3 stitches in the first stitch. Next, do a double crochet in the next chain space. Do a double crochet in the next stitch. We'll do double crochet in every stitch from here to the center. Go ahead and do that, and I'll meet you at the center of the piece. We are at the center. Put 2 double crochets in the chain space. These are increased stitches. Then chain 2. And 2 double crochets again in the center chain space. Now, repeat the exact pattern for the left side. Don't forget to put 3 stitches in the last stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. So this is the basic pattern for the shawl. Repeat this pattern 5 more times until it reaches row 36. So here I have completed 36 rows. I've inserted a solid purple on 2 of the rows. The shawl is 26.5 inches. I want to expand it until it reaches 32 inches. I've gone ahead and added 3 more rows, alternating the colors. Next, we'll add edging to finish it off. Chain 3. Turn the work over. Do a double crochet in the same stitch. Next, we'll do a 2 double crochets V-stitch cluster. We'll work the cluster into the previous V-stitch. One double crochet, and 2 double crochets. Chain 2. Then 2 more double crochets in the same chain space. 1, and 2. So, this is a 2 double crochets V-stitch cluster. It's a simple but lovely pattern to use for edging. Put a 2 double crochet V-stitch in each of the previous V-stitches. We place the last cluster between the last V and the center chain space. Chain 2 in the center and then do 2 double crochets. Repeat the same stitch pattern going down the left side. Both ends are identical. I hope you have enjoyed this video and make this lovely shawl. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye for now.